Did you know that a common sleeping disorder could be silently increasing your risk of death by 6 times? That's right. A shocking study published in the European Respiratory Journal found that untreated sleep apnea drastically raises your mortality risk. But here's the catch. Most doctors aren't addressing it properly. Sleep apnea isn't just about loud snoring. It's a serious condition where your breathing repeatedly stops and starts during sleep, depriving your brain and body of oxygen. Researchers from Harvard Medical School discovered that even mild sleep apnea can lead to a 2.5 times higher risk of heart disease. But that's not all. A groundbreaking study in the journal Circulation revealed that untreated sleep apnea increases the likelihood of stroke by a staggering 500%. The scariest part? Many people don't even realize they have it. Scientists at the American Academy of Sleep Medicine found that over 80% of cases go undiagnosed. Imagine this. Your body is screaming for help every night, and you have no idea. The key to survival? Early detection and treatment. Studies show that using a CPAP machine can reduce the risk of heart disease by nearly 40%. So, are you getting enough oxygen while you sleep? The answer could save your life. Drop a comment below if you or someone you know struggles with sleep apnea. Let's start the conversation.